The next sentence, pour le voyage, je prends dash vêtements. So now we need to take a look at the subject. It is je. So what are the possessive we can use for the je? Mon, ma, me. So now we look at the noun, vêtements. It is in the plural form, so we use mes vêtements. The next noun, roman, that is also in the plural form, so we use mes again. Now the next one, lecture CD, lecture CD. So now this is in the masculine form. So, mon lecture CD et bien sûr, tout dash CD. Now here, this verb, this noun is in the plural form. So the clue for that is tout, all the CD. So it is in the plural form. So again we write mes. Okay, now CD is actually an abbreviated form, so we won't know whether it is in the singular or plural. But this word here, tout, gives us a clue that it is in the plural form. Moving on to the next sentence, li cherche dash portable. Now the subject here is li. It is third person. So when the subject is in the third person, we have son or sa or se as the possessive adjective. Now portable. So this is the noun. It is in the masculine singular form. So we use son. Son portable. Il veut téléphoner à dash médecin. So the médecin, this is also in the masculine singular form. So again we use son. Now the next sentence, tu es incroyable. So the subject here is tu. It is second person. So when it is second person, you can use ton or ta or te. So the first blank, dash chambre. Now this is in the feminine singular form. So you write ta chambre est en désordre dash affaire. Now the noun here is affaire. It is in the plural form. So we write tes affaires sont partout et dash téléphone. Now this is in the masculine singular form. So you write ton téléphone ne marche pas. So we first have to look at the subject, decide whether it is first person, second person or third person, and depending on that we have a list of possessive adjectives, and then we look at the noun that follows the blank. So depending on the number and gender of the noun, we fill in that particular adjective from that list that we have chosen.